Danny, it's your day to do the dishes. Mom wants you downstairs. Oh, you just got blown up. Come on, and I want some PS4 time, so get off my PS4. What's up, guys? So today's Danny's day to do the dishes, right? And so I've been brainstorming this week and thinking how I can prank him. To confuse him, because confusing Danny is like one of the funniest things in the world. So, you know, one of his most valuable things is his phone, obviously, because that's all he's on, like 24/7, playing stupid 8-ball pool. Dumbest game in the world. But I've got some string here in the closet. Where is it? Where did I put it? Oh, let's get the light first. Alright. I got some string. And tape. Yep, perfect. And he forgot his phone. So let's play some hangman from the ceiling. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the string to his phone. Alright, and I'm going to hang from the ceiling fan. Tripod over here. There we go. Alright. So let's get this good prank idea going. So we got the string. Oh, come on. It's pretty durable, not gonna lie. The only hard part is getting up on the ceiling fan, because I am not tall enough to do that. So I'm gonna have to jump. There we go. You stay. There we go. No. Please stay. That is amazing. We've got a phone on the ceiling fan. Wait for him to come back. My mom just yelled at Danny. He's getting sent up to his room. Alright, perfect. What'd you do now? Why are you in trouble?
I'm not in trouble.
Yeah, you are. Mom was yelling at you.
Where's my phone? Mom said she was texting me.
I didn't touch your phone. How do you misplace your phone? You have it on you like every second of the day.
It's right here. It was like right here, dummy.
Well, that's not my fault, and there's no reason for you to call me dummy, so you owe me an apology. That's rude.
Shut up, boy. Call my phone.
You want me to call your phone?
Yeah.
Come on, stupid Siri. How to get under your bed?
Really?
Oh, I didn't do that. That was Jack.
Dude, get it down.
I didn't do that. That was Jack.
Get it down.
Get it down. Ready? Heat.
No.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Oh, snap. Oh. Oh. Oh, my God.
You're an idiot.
Dude. You should pull all the covers off of your bed. Alright, come on. Yeah. What, did you hurt your eye? Would you hurt your eye? Come on, you didn't even fall on your face. How are you wetting your face?
Hey, here's the water that you wanted.
Jack! Get out of here, you're just kill you. Go. Jack! Oh my god. Hey, you're lucky you didn't get that on my camera. You're lucky you didn't get on my lens, dude. You'd be owing me money. Jack!